Whenever people ask me, yo, what's the best way to get at photography? This is what I tell them. I always laugh when I'm asked this question because the single best way to get better photography is literally take your camera out and go do it. A lot of times people overcomplicate it by scrolling a bunch of YouTube videos, trying to figure out what's the best settings, and before you know it, they enter this like stage of analysis paralysis. Instead of just like embracing the idea that whenever you start something new, you're gonna suck at it. When you first get your camera and you take it out to go shoot, you're gonna be bad at it. There's nothing wrong. That's the truth. You're gonna be bad at it. And then oftentimes people will sit there and wait to like get the perfect camera, get the latest and greatest. But what good is any of that if you're not even pressing the shutter button? Every shot that you take is a lesson to be learned. Teaches you how to develop the eye, how to develop composition, what lighting conditions work best for which situation. Sometimes a scene can look different depending on the lighting. So the same scene can look a multitude of ways, whether it's golden hour like it is right now, or if it's raining, or if it's cloudy out. All those can create different scenarios. Honestly, when I first started, my photos weren't that great. They were pretty fucking terrible. But it's through that I learned, because for every time that I took a picture, I learned like what could work next time. Oh, maybe the shadows weren't that great, or maybe the lighting over here would have been better. And that in turn gives me those experience points to get better at photography. You get me? And that's the thing. It's not about perfection. It's about repetition. The more you do something, the better you're going to become at it. And honestly, after doing it for such amount of time, it's going to become second nature for you. You're going to see the shot. You'll develop the eye, and everywhere you go, you're going to be like, wow, that would have made a great shot. I swear, literally happens to me every time, bro. Every time I'm out and about, whether I'm with my friends, my family, or at work, or just walking down the street, bro, I always see an opportunity to take a shot. So look, if you really want to get at good at photography, don't stress, don't wait. Don't wait for the perfect shot. Don't wait to have the perfect camera. Just go out and shoot. And that is how you grow. Hope you guys learned something. Peace out.